Welcome back to the Market Wolf. I am the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. Incredibly short video. You might hear the war in the background. Just pay no attention to that. We are looking here at a very weak bull flag on Bitcoin. And will this bull flag likely break down? Possibly. You can see we're riding this fib circle that I've had on my charts for forever and a day. You can go back and look at all my charts. And we seem to have a top here to some degree. This is the weekly time frame. However, you have to remember, in bull runs in the past, when we have just started a bull run, and make no mistake about it, this is the bull run when you see candles like this. Those little candles that were taking forever to bring us up here, that's not a bull run. People are misjudging where this bull run started. The bull run started with the breakout, which maybe I'll show you in a moment. But my point here is that if you look back at previous bull runs, you would have those candles break down even to about 20%, and then they would take off. So that means we could have a wick below this fib circle here and get sucked back up and still likely be okay. But if we were to have a close below, and I mean roughly, this is roughly because we're about 0.08 of a percent off here, roughly about $58,952.83, okay? So roughly about that area, you could go just slightly lower, 0.08 of a percent, okay? If you saw a close below there, then that might signal that we are finished with this bull run, that this was just some kind of little mini bull run and that's it. However, if we hold that area, historically, we're still in bull run territory. So I'm seeing it all over the market right now. Panic, right? Panic. This is not anything abnormal for crypto. Is the war ramping up? Yes. Are there other variables that are leading to volatility in the market? Of course. China's, rushing into gold right now. They're selling 30% over spot there because their markets are breaking down. So you got to remember, the Bitcoin does kind of front run the S&P 500 at times. Sometimes the S&P 500 will front run Bitcoin. The main thing to pay attention to is the dollar. Now, if you're not in it for the long term, well, I don't know what you're doing in crypto. Long term in the sense that you better be prepared to ride it out and not exit unless we break key levels. Okay, historically speaking, we have not broken key levels yet. So I'm just letting you know, this whole crypto crash thing, this is not a crash yet. We break these levels, then it's a crash. Okay, then it's likely a crash at that point if we have a close below there. Now I want to show you something else here very quickly, and let me see if I can do this. Back here in February 5th, this is where the bull run starts. And remember, we got confirmation right here, February 12th. So February, March, April. Sometimes bull runs only last about 3 months. So, could this be it? It's a possibility. It's a possibility, but we don't know for sure because other times bull runs can go longer than 3 months if you look at past history. So pay attention to that price level, pay attention to that percent breakdown, and then you will have a better idea of what to do. We'll see you next time on The Market Wolf.